Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I bought a new mic, so I'm testing my new mic out today. I hope it's working. The stats on the screen say I'm getting sound, so we'll find out when it comes to editing. Right, so while I remember this, I want to do a shout out to someone. I want to give someone a mention. Neil Scouse Jones has been in touch with me, and he wants me to give a mention to his cat. Jürgen. Apparently Jürgen sits and watches my videos, and also to his daughters Jolie, Darren. 1 second. And he also wants to give a mention to his daughters Romy, Jolie and Darren, and also his Mrs. Louise. Okay, so there you go, Neil. One of the weirder mentions I've been asked to do. But yeah, I hope Jürgen's enjoying today's video so far. Well, he should be, he's just got a mention. Right, so I'm going to start on the Liverpool badge. There we go, so see how it's coming on now. And have a little look. There's the birdie on the scissor lift. I wonder if that's the next piece to go on. I'll come back to him in a couple of minutes, okay? There's a couple of guys on this cherry picker. I'm gonna get fade out there. Shoot these up to here first. They're pointing at something. Don't quite know what. Yeah, after mentioning about Back to the Future yesterday, people have been testing me on Back to the Future. I think I've got one question wrong. It was where someone asked me where the doc lives, what his address was, and I know it was on Riverside Drive, but I couldn't remember the number. I thought it was 1660. I'm not too sure. It just doesn't sound right, so that's why I'm not sure about the number. I know it's 16 something. I just don't think it's 60. I refuse to Google it. So that's me answer. Okay, right, let's see what these up to. Okay, so this is what I was questioning last time. No, it wasn't. What was I questioning? Was it down here then? No. Maybe it was what I was questioning. Why did it stop doing the columns? Let's have a quick look at the crest man again. Oh, he's moved up a bit, hasn't he? That'll be done today, that by the looks of it. He's got every single bit that he needs on there by the look at that. Okay, so I'll go inside the grounds because I've had a little criticism, which is fine. It was a fair one, to be honest. Someone said that I was going too fast at looking at things, and it was getting frustrating because they wanted to look at something, then I'd move. Right, one part that people want to look at is, I think it's this corner here. Let me move around. Apparently there's a bit going on in this corner and I keep neglecting it. Okay, yeah. So what's going on there? Does anyone know? It looks very makeshift to me, so I'm not sure. It's got a window down the bottom, or is that a door down the bottom? Yeah, if anyone can let me know what that is, I'd appreciate it. Oh, how's this getting on? Is it gone? It's gone. Okay, so all that iron is out now. Steel is out. So is that it for the demolition guys then? What's this up here? No, that's part of the upper tier and that's a scaffolding, it's alright. Okay. I didn't get an answer for this vomitory down here, which I still don't know what's going on, so again, if anyone knows, can you let me know what's going on with that? So that girder has been taken down and completely gone. Oh, there it is, they're all broken up, isn't it? Okay. It's interesting. So that's the last of the roof gone now. The whole 40 lifts that I was told. If I'm missing anything here guys, can you let me know? Trying to have a good look around on the screen here. Oh, we had these things on the floor. I think they're already in now, aren't they? There's some here as well. So these are, which I noticed on me thingy yesterday, with the uprights. Here, is that them? Or is it not them? I'm assuming it's them that were on the grounds and are now reinforcement for holding up that tier. Alright. Then is there anything else to be done on the pitch then they can start taking the grass up maybe? Let's get back outside. Let's go slow. Got wasps and flies, everything flying around me here. What's that there? That's just a bit of a cladding to go on it. Doesn't seem to be a lot going on the roof today. The outside seems to be a bit busier, so let me get back round. People also asking when the scaffolding on the main stand side is going to come down so they can start getting the crest up that side. I don't know. Here's the the only answer I can give at the moment. But it shouldn't be that far away, should it? Oh, that brickwork's in there. Let me just swing it round this way. Oh yeah, and they've sorted that window out, haven't they? Which I did see yesterday. I just failed to mention it. There we go. Everyone's OCD is sorted out now. What's this lifting up? Yeah, and I feel sorry for that fellow who got sacked as well for sharing footage. You know what? He hasn't committed the biggest crime in the world, has he? Just because his face is on it. I think Liverpool should be encouraging these people to share the stuff that's going on. I think it's ridiculous that he's been sacked. Well, it's not Liverpool that have sacked him, is it? It's the construction company. But yeah, nah, I don't agree with it. What they got to hide, you know, nothing. The thing he did highlight was the trip hazards and all that were going on site. But they're more concerned about people sharing videos of the build. But he had a valid point when he come to like trip hazards and wires hanging down and stuff. Right. I thought I'd be breaking up that part there, but obviously not. Let's another look at the crest. Oh God, he's come down. Looks like Santa's beard from here. Oh, he's going. Now they're going back up. Yeah, it's got a. It's got a leg on. Just check me levels still. Yeah, it seems to be all right. What's going on next, mate? Come on. Throw me a bone. What are we doing? Oh yes, we're getting the meaty bit. Go on, stick it on. Very flimsy, isn't it? Don't drop it. You're on camera. Come on. Get that on. That was good, Simon. You alright, mate? You okay? You what? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, we're just getting that on now.
Oh, they were having a pain in the ass for that earlier.
Yeah.
Pain in the backside trying to get it on for them.
Yeah, just good timing now. They're flimsy.
Yeah. Whole thing is for them.
Yeah.
Taking them long enough.
Yeah, just wondering how they're going to stick it on now. Well, how they're going to secure it.
It's got a sticky on the back,
yeah.
And then what they do is once it's on, they're screwing into the sides of them to hold them on.
Yeah.
If that makes any sense.
It does, yeah. As you know more than me.
So to say I've been up here all week. You know. You doing your video?
Just doing it now. Yeah. Yeah, it's recording now. Yeah, so James has joined me. James comes and says hello now and again. So, hello James Asen.
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, James sends me messages now and then to let me know what's going on, because he pops up here and has a look, which is really handy to us guys.
Taking them long enough. Yeah. It's all in individual pieces.
Yeah, I've seen it's all on the it's all there.
Yeah, Yeah.
That was the big bit to go on.
Yeah, especially with like the lettering, it's taken them longer because it's each individual letter.
Yeah.
And they've got to secure it to the wall.
I suppose that'll be the easier bit, the lettering, because it's small and you just plonk it on, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's the likes of this, that'll be the hard bits.
Yeah.
I may as well just hover there for a bit.
Should get that done today, I would think.
Yeah, the whole thing will be up today.
Yeah.
Because that's come on loads since yesterday, that.
Yeah, I was going to say, when Nick came over yesterday afternoon, they'd only done
the bottom,
the
date.
Yeah. Because I left.
So all this is today, and the flames and the
flaming. I left at 12:30 yesterday, and I was like, I'm not staying any longer. And obviously, in that time, when Nick came over, they'd done that bottom bit.
Yeah. How long have you been here for?
I've been here all morning again. I've been a week.
Seen any of the lads? Have anyone been up? I think Paul Frost was here earlier.
Yeah, I saw Paul earlier. He's off to Scotland.
Yeah.
So there's another guy filming for Kinlan, I think.
Right.
He'd got a drone up earlier on.
Right. Yeah, for those that don't know, Paul Frost is off to Scotland. So watch out on his channel. There's going to be some interesting footage that he's going to be sharing. I won't ruin what he's doing. But it looks like it's going to be good. I'm just going to get a better angle on this. Trying to get more square on with it. Okay, that'll do there. So on that very top piece there, there'll be a live bird inside that once the silver bits go on. I really thought, I thought it was steel, you know. I thought it was like some sort of metal.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, but it can't be. It looks like plastic. The way it's wobbling around.
Yeah, I was going to say, I noticed when they were trying to lift the bird up earlier, it was like the wings of it were just going like that.
Yeah. I don't think metal would wobble that way, would it?
No. There you go, you can see them screwing it in.
Yeah, I was trying to get a... Yeah, there we go, yeah. So as James was saying about screwing it in the sides there to secure it. Yeah. I'm zoomed into the max here, so yeah. And I do apologise, the video's going to go on a little bit longer than my usual ones. I'm normally done by now. So what's a couple more screws go in and then I'll leave it there. I think this is the main part that I wanted to get though, the bird going on. The lads are doing a great job there. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. So, thanks to everyone who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Likes and comments are always appreciated. You never let me down with the comments. And I'll let James say goodbye. You want to say goodbye, James? Guys. There we go. James said goodbye. And as always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.